Now let's look at another very important topic, how you can add stop loss and profit and target to your strategies in PineScript. So here I have the same Bollinger Band strategy I used before. So I have some long, some short entries, and I don't have any exits for now. So let's add some stop losses to my strategies and profit targets as well. So here I have the code for stop loss and profit targets. And we're using the same strategy.exit function. And here you have to specify a profit parameter for profit target and loss parameter for stop loss. And as you can see, I have pretty big numbers here. And this is because you have to specify these values in ticks. And of course, for like Bitcoin, USDT, I have on my chart, of course, these values will be very big to have some significant moves in price. So that's quite it. So everything you just need to do is to use the same strategy exit function. You have to specify some IDs, like what position do you want to close, ID of this position, and profit and loss parameters in minticks. So let's save it and see how it works. So it seems to work. So here, for example, we have like a long entry. We enter it at open of this bar, and we can measure how many ticks we had to the exit, and it seems to be about right. We have around 50,000 ticks. And for example, here we have another position, it's short one, and also we had here like stop loss, and let's find something with the profit target. So here, for example, we had like a profit target and we closed it with profit. So let's measure to see how much is that. So it's about 75,000 ticks, so it seems to work quite well. And of course, for something like Bitcoin, it's quite hard to work with ticks. You should rather use it like percentage for that. So to have like a quick hack for that, what you can do is you can create like a variable. I called it percent, and here I just take my price divided by 100, so take 1% of my price, and after that I divide it by min tick, and this variable will store like how many ticks do I have in 1%. And after that, you can use this variable just as a multiplier in your profit and loss parameters. So this way you can, for example, set like 2% profit target and 1% stop loss. As you can see, it's quite simple and quick solution as well. Let's save it and see if it works fine for us. So it seems to work. So here's our entry, and to the exit we have 2%. So it seems to work. Next thing I want to show you is trailing stop loss in PineScript. It's also quite easy to use it. All you have to do is to use a trail point a parameter and trail offset parameters. So how it works? So when specify trailing points parameter, a PineScript will wait for price to go into profitable direction by this amount of ticks. And after that, it will set like a trailing stop loss with the distance of this amount of ticks, so trailing offset, and it will this will follow the price when it goes into profitable direction for you. So as you can see, it's quite easy to set like a trailing stop loss for strategies as well. Let's save it and see how it looks. So as you can see here, for example, we have like a trade, short trade, and let's see where we closed it. And we closed it only here for this bar. So it seems to work fine. And the last thing I want to show you is actually you can use everything together. You can put like profit target, you can put stop loss, you can put trailing stop loss as well, and this will work fine for you as well. Just use this parameter and immediately you will get this functionality for your strategies, so that's quite useful.